Name of my truck, I call her Little Red. My grandkids love riding in Little Red. I have my own lawn service business, but I also do tree trimming. The importance of me to have a working vehicle is, it's hard to put into words. Without Little Red, I'm kind of without my right arm. CarShield keeps Little Red running, and I love that.
CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company.
My truck has to be running or my business kind of stops. If my business stops, I can't pay bills. Without my working vehicle, I have no way to get to work. I definitely will have no way to get to where I like to enjoy myself. Being a business owner, I have to keep things moving, and CarShield helps me do that.
A plan through CarShield offers even more benefits to make your life better. That includes 24/7 roadside assistance with lockout and dead battery help, tire assistance, and courtesy towing. Best of all, you'll get access to CarShield's concierge service, who can even help you find a mechanic near you.
I've been a CarShield customer for over 4 years. I've had my transmission repaired. I've had my motor mounts redone. I've had my fuel injections repaired on both banks, and CarShield has taken care of me every time. I've saved over $8,000 something. I could put that money towards my 11 grandchildren. It's an overwhelming feeling of, I've got somebody with me and I'm just not alone.
CarShield offers plans that cover expensive repairs that cover up to 5,000 parts of your car, like your engine, transmission, electronics, and more. With a plan through CarShield, you're good to go.
No, I don't have to worry about how many miles I drive. I know that I have somebody that's got my back. To me, CarShield is better than advertised because they're there when you call.
Call now and get the CarShield guarantee, where your rate never goes up and your coverage never goes down, no matter how many claims you have. Call now, 800-579-6554, 800-579-6554.